Guys, it's not a picture, it's a video. Guys, it's not a picture, it's a video.
Oh.
Say something, Andre.
Hi.
Hi? What are you eating?
I eat apple. Apple.
Okay, that was beautiful. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your apple.
Nothing about name brand shoes. That's how you don't think about name brand shoes. Why? Name brand shoes can't be governed or whatever in my shop still go for that baby.
Junior, go for the baby.
I never say if you drag him, I say go feed him and make sure you have one because you're 30 foot. Mommy, show good morning.
Good morning.
Where do you live? Where is it here?
Alright.
Yeah.
Mahrez! Yo! What's up?
Good morning, Mahrez.
Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Oof. Look at you, sir. Hello. Who's this? Want to say good morning? Want to say good morning? Just one little morning? Good morning. You sure? Just morning? Okay, say morning. Morning? Good morning. Cool. morning, YouTube world. Happy Saturday. It's my announcer voice. I'm working on it. We're good? So, in typical Saturday morning fashion, water came out of places no one would expect. We got water in the pipe. We got water in the rain catchment system. Both tanks practically full. And my strategy worked, dear. That's the face of positive strategy right there.
I know what strategy you're talking about.
Not tragedy, strategy. My strategy I said, hey, if we only are filling like a partial tank, we don't need to try to turn on the pump at 11, at 12, at 1. Why don't we just wait until like 3 in the morning? I'll set my alarm. And then it'll be filled by 6 and all will be one with the universe. And honey, tell them what happened.
You never said no, I'm not going to say I got it because there's no water in the pipe. Because there was
Yes.
no pump over Chester.
And my alarm went off at 2:55 a.m. while you were sleeping.
No, I wasn't sleeping because your alarm wake me up and then you wake me up with the pump too.
Now you know how it feels, dear.
No,
Now you know how it feels.
I took to call me and text me and tell me say water that pipe.
Yeah, at like
And
12.
Yeah,
And sure enough, Sonia's like, I gotta try it.
It's not.
There was none.
She text me. To 9, I go to 10. Say water that pipe.
And sure enough, Sonia jumps up at the opportunity moment and says, let me try it out and see what happens. And what'd you find out? Wait, did you hear that silence? That's exactly how the water sounded when you turned the pump on. I don't like saying I told you so,
You're trying to make.
but I told you so. No, I'm saying in simple terms, the strategy of waiting till later in the evening till everybody else has their water and the water finally comes in our pipe, it worked. I'm not right all the time, but when I am, it might be the coffee talking, but it feels pretty fantastic. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about this morning. This morning, Junior, put the phone down. Cool. Junior, good morning.
Say good morning.
Cool. Mahrez, good morning. Morning. Junior, what do you see on the table? $1,000. Yes. I don't think you're supposed to be brushing your pits.
What brush is that, Junior?
The sea brush.
Right, Mahrez? Back to you, Junior. On that table. Take it up. What is that? Come back. No, come back. So, Junior, last week we talked about the matching program for savings. And last week you talked about wanting to get saved up for a bicycle. And everybody knows, the YouTube universe knows, Junior saved this many dollars. Mahrez, how many dollars did... Hey, Mahrez, how many dollars did he save? Can you show me this many? Let me see. This many. Can you show me this on your hand? Make this on your hand. Okay. Yeah, that many. So, Junior.
Yeah.
The people at home want to know, like, how are you planning to save up for a bicycle when you're not putting any savings? Junior, put your shirt down. The people want to know, how are you planning to save for a bicycle when you're not putting any money in your savings?
I don't know it.
Well, what's the strategy? What's the plan?
I don't know about my bicycle.
Right, but you really, really wanted a bicycle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't put any money in your savings, which I'm matching a 1-to-1, unheard of in the adult world these days, how are you going to be able to save for a bicycle?
Alright, I'm going to put 5 bits in there.
How much?
1,000.
What?
I'm going to put 5 bits and then 1,000.
I don't know what you're saying, dude.
What's that? I'm going to put 5 bits and then 1,000.
I'm pretty sure that's not how the matching program works. If you put 5 bills, aka 500, I put 500, which would give you 1,000, a free $500 just by putting it in savings. So that's what you're telling the people you're going to do.
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it here. He's going to put 500 in savings. Stay tuned to figure out if it actually happens. Junior. meanwhile, back in the kitchen, we are on day 4 of the chocolate adventure. Day 4! Where does the time go? Check. I haven't even looked yet. Woo! Hold on, let me get a scent of this. It's surprisingly fruity, but it looks as though it's almost ready to go. So we might put her out to dry today, might put her out to dry tomorrow. I don't know, but looks like it's finally coming together and ready to dry up and get to be chocolate. Cool. Second, meanwhile, this morning, my coffee beans, my Blue Mountain coffee beans will not die in vain. We, according to my friend Google, if you recall, we started our, call it the eggshell bucket. See Exhibit A. And they said, the Google people, said if you put coffee beans with the eggshell and let it do its thing for like 3 months, it's going to make a great fertilizer. So, coffee beans, eggshells. We'll see you on the other side. You like apple? All right, get your apple. What do you say? You didn't even say thank you? You did? When? You said thank you? Okay. Is that good? All right, enjoy your apple. Go eat it. Go buy Junior and go eat it. Go watch Junior. Make sure he washes good and go eat it.
Junior, that's not washing. Take your back. Take your back. I know some people wash. You know what? I'm queen sitting down there and then put it on and say wash. No, what no wash, sir? You're supposed to rub your clothes then. You just rub the other one and put them down without none in your... Junior, what the heck are you doing?
Yeah. Happy Saturday morning. Anyway, we have gotten a bunch of eggs. We are up to 50. Oh, hold on, let me check. Up to 51 eggs. 51 eggs. Averaging 4 to 5 eggs per day. 2 of them have found the nest box. The other 2 or 3, you never know where you're going to find it. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody's doing all right? You guys ate off all your food again? Seriously? I don't know. Everybody's chilling except for 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's 6 of you down here. Let's find out what surprises we have today. Well, that's not good. I'm gonna have scrambled eggs. Did it fall into the nest box and... Oh man, who decided to lay the egg right on the edge, huh? Was it you? Dang, we'll see if we can sort that out. Anyway, there's one, there's one, there's one, and there's one. We got 4 more. Grand total, 55. Woo! I'll get you guys some food. All right. I have to get it? Oh, okay. Here, thank you.
Then I use
Roti.
yes.
Roti. Roti.
Wash more.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up? Nice. Nothing? You got hiccups? Nice. Welcome back. How was your trip? Andre. Andre. You know you're a grandparent when your day's happenings revolve around your grandson's sleep schedule. You had plans to go out, conquer the world, take what was rightfully not probably yours and seize the day, and then you're still here at the house because somebody fell asleep. And you go back and check on your chickens. Good afternoon, ladies. Did you give me a 5th egg today? What? What? No 5th egg? Whoa. That's fine. My feelings aren't hurt. I mean, I've gotten 5 eggs the last couple days in a row, but I guess it's okay. Been a cloudy day, I know. I know. Nobody even wants to go outside and play. The door's open, and nobody's headed out. Oh well. Hopefully, if the weather keeps up, I can convince Sonia we're gonna take down another banana today. And been waiting. She said, if you recall from a previous episode, Saturday was the day for the monster banana to have It's reckoning. Really, I have to come back here for you guys to get out? I don't have any great food for you. Look at those apples right there. Speaking of apples, let me see if there's any available for the pickings. Well, I traverse the backyard. Oh. Well, here we go. I see that one's probably ready enough. Oh, see what happens if you don't pick your apples in time? The birds. Time to get the ladder. That happened. Andre! 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 Hello? Andre!
Yeah.
Can you catch?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You ready? You're gonna catch this and give it to the chickens. Okay. Alright, go feed the chickens. Almost. And there they go. Eating apples. Speaking of apples, let's take it while we can before it gets eaten like these guys. Man, I'm gonna get you too. Andre, take two. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna toss it.
Yeah.
You're gonna catch it.
Yeah.
Okay. 0 for 2, Andre. Third time's a charm. Go feed that one to the chickens. Yeah. Okay. Last try. One more try. Alright? You ready? You're gonna catch it. On 3. Here, hold your shirt. Hold the bottom of your shirt. Pull up the bottom of your shirt. Catch it in your shirt. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You're supposed to catch it in your shirt. Almost. We'll get them next time. Yeah, go give that to the chickens. Andre, do you see what I see?
No.
You don't see what I see?
No.
Look what You see that right there? You see that? You know what that is?
No.
That's the beans that I planted.
Ah!
It's starting to come up. You know what that means?
We're gonna have beans.
We're gonna have some string beans. As long as we don't do anything too horrible to it, it should be fine. No pressure, right?
I'm scared.
I'm scared too. Yeah, beans are coming. Sweet. And the cabbage is starting to fold in on itself. We're starting to get some heads of cabbage, and look at all these cauliflowers growing beautifully. Your favorites. Oh, look at the size of that one. Cool. All right. Something like that. Gonna have some beans. Oh, here's another one. Look at this one right here. And this one, oh yep. See, you gotta get the bean. There's another bean coming right here.
Did you see what I see?
Do I see what you see? What do you see? What do you see? Oh, that's me.
I see.
What do you see?
You don't know.
I don't know. That's what I'm worried about. Don't step in there, dude.
I can't.
What?
No, not that.
What?
Come on, payaso.
Ah, I was so close.
For me.
Yeah, man. You got a bean. You got a bean. Oh, look, more beans. There's a bean. There's some beans. They're coming. Oh, there's another one. The beans are coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
A plant or bean?
Yep.
What?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, not on this.
It's in there somewhere, Andre. Let's go.
The biggest one in the world.
Guys, it's not a picture, it's a video. Guys, it's not a picture, it's a video.
Oh.
Say something, Andre.
Hi.
Hi? What are you
Hi.
eating?
I eat apple. Apple.
Okay, that was beautiful. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your apple.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes. Like and subscribe. What's up?
So, been having some issues with the cucumber plants, getting brown spots all over them, and according to my Google evidence, apparently it is a gummy stem blight, potentially, and it's a fungus. So, asked the Google of the world, or I even, did it on my phone, didn't even verbally express it, and they said you can use baking soda, a tablespoon of baking soda per gallon of water, and with a dash of dish soap or so to help keep it coated on the leaves, and that's supposed to help kill the fungus. So we're gonna try it and see what happens, because we need some cucumbers. Here we go. Finally putting all this rainwater to some good use. We are filled with water to the gills, whatever that means. I'm gonna spray it on the cucumber plants and see what happens. It says once a week, but spray number 1, here we come. And I almost got away. Junior was down at the literal pig pen, and I told him I was ready, and off I went, and he's probably behind me, struggling to catch up. It's gonna be a therapeutic walk, and now it's a therapeutic walk plus a junior. Sweet, we're off to go find what we're gonna cook tonight, and I think we're gonna go, if they have it, we're gonna go for some grilled cheese. It's been a while. Let me introduce you to my friends. Puppies, hello. What is this? The gangs of Dogstown here. Hello. What are you guys doing? Everybody good? Okay. You good? You're just hanging out, having a good time? Okay. Oh, hey, Junior.
Hi.
Where you been?
Nothing, man.
Yeah, you smell like it. That was a joke.
I can talk.
I bet you did. Good morning, puppy.
Oh, that's you.
Hello, you good? Okay. So we're gonna forego the high gate due to the weather, we'll call it, and the grandson and the junior. And we're going to Marlin's walking once again. I think we're gonna go for grilled cheese tonight, dude.
What?
Grilled cheese?
grilled cheese. What?
Grilled cheese. I'll give you a hint. It's got cheese and it's grilled and it's got bread.
Oh,
Didn't we have that before already?
real slicey.
Yeah. Make some spaghetti sauce with it because they don't have tomato soup around here. Oh yeah.
Fries.
And maybe we'll look for fries because Junior's been craving fries since 2021. All right, off to Marlins in some gloomy, rainy weather. Happy Saturday. Hope everyone's doing well and they have sunshine at their house, or at least cool breeze. Junior, any well wishes for anyone special?
Busy.
Do you want to say hi to anybody special?
To YouTubers. I like, comment, and subscribe.
He's original. What can I say? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. There we were, rolling down the streets of Cromwell Lands, and red car pulls up and says, "Yo, you're the dude from YouTube." I don't know, I still haven't figured out how to respond to that besides saying, "Yep, it's me," and June. Yeah. So, special shout out to my Canadian friend. Appreciate you stopping by and hailing us up. Yeah. That was fun. That was cool. But it happens. And Junior's trying to. Here's how Junior deals with celebrity status. You're doing great, Junior. So, appreciate the shout out. Hope Canada's doing well, and nice to see some of our viewers enjoying Jamaica as it is too. Yo, you're the dude from YouTube. Cool. Write it. Mm-hmm.
And then
I know we were really adventurous with the beans already coming to life in the gardens, so I know they're probably not started to germinate yet because peppers apparently take like a week, but remember those seeds we planted? We're going to see if we have any starting up yet. Here we go. Okay. Hi. Thank you. I'm checking my peppers. Hold on. Hold on. No. Tearing the paper towel. I'm not doing a good job. No.
They're not start coming.
Thank you, dear. You're very observant.
No.
Sonia, what does she want?
How much did them fellas say supposed
Like
to
a week. Nothing yet. Still just seeds, but we'll keep hoping. Oh, yeah.
Hmm? You want to sit down right there, sir?
Yeah.
Why?
It's only right, so. But what are the needs? What are the needs? Eh? What
What?
are the needs?
What?
What 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 are the needs?
What?
But
Ha! I win. I won this round.
what about
That one.
yeah,
Close.
cool?
Now it's open. So you have to use my finger to use press it. That's open.
Yeah, go big,
Close now.
go down,
Mm-hmm. Open.
open,
Close.
go bang,
Open.
go bang,
Mm-hmm. Open. Close.
good,
Open. Close.
good,
Open. Close.
good,
Open.
open,
Close.
good,
Open. Close. Open.
open,
Close.
good,
Open it.
what I done? What I done?
What?
What I done?
What?
What I done?
What?
I done?
Open.
That's right. You just survived a minute of
Yeah.
grandson games, we call them.
Open.
Open.
Welcome to retired living.
Close.
This is our excitement. Who needs TV? Jeez. Oh, it's still going.
Open.
Close.
Good.
Open it.
Open. Bunny.
Close it.
Good.
Open.
Button. Walk. Don't do it.
Oh, I'm not getting. No, I see where this is headed. I'm not doing it. Excuse me? What'd you say? Ah, it's a trap, dude. I know how this works. I'm gonna walk away slowly. You can't catch me. You got this. One time. Open. Bye.
Open.
Yes.
Come here.
No, bye-bye.
Go.
Bye-bye. Who's here?
Even.
Good evening, Mario. Use your words, Mario.
Apple.
Good. Apple is a noun.
Let me see one apple.
Where do you see an apple, Mario?
Put a gun in this.
On the ground. Yes, we did feed the chickens an apple, or a few apples actually, this morning, because some of the birds have gotten actually collected the good apples. Where, Mario? Where, Mario?
Open it.
Just because it has a little bit of pink doesn't mean Mario's gonna eat it. Because
In a pink.
no, it's not. It's still mostly white. Where, Mario?
See the fichu.
Ooh, I do see a red one way up there. Can only mean one thing.
Yeah, go for.
No,
You
sir.
go for.
I'm good.
Not me. You have
Check the tape. I've been up there already once today.
tape or
Wow, that's what we used to use. No, just 4 eggs today.
Nope.
Oh, the chickens found
Honesty
it.
is so.
I think they found your apple. Mario, we got apples in the fridge if you want to have one. Use your words.
Oh, cool apple for the tree.
Well, yeah, but I don't want you taking any of the white ones. Yes, we are cooking
What?
grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese and what?
And what else do you want with grilled cheese?
And what?
I'm asking you.
What bread? Bread.
Yes, the grilled cheese. It's a grilled cheese sandwich. Maybe that's a better way to say it.
Bread.
Yes, you put the cheese on the bread and you grill it. That's what makes it a grilled cheese.
Put onion in there.
I don't think you understand what a grilled cheese is, dude.
I don't like cheese.
Huh?
I don't like cheese.
Oh, so you're gonna have salsa
Come in
bread?
one pack. No.
No. But they found the apple that you pointed out, so that's cool. Mario, I almost forgot. Guess what?
What?
Remember when I transplanted a long time ago a couple bananas like right over here that we since took up because they was rotting and didn't survive?
Mm-hmm.
Get a closer look. What do you see?
Are you planting?
Well, it gets complicated. So I planted the little baby sucker that we put it first in the trench there, but then that was too wet, so then I pulled and moved it up here, and it basically looked like it was dead. So I pulled it out and added it back to the bush life, and then I just noticed this guy coming up. So apparently
Wayne.
I'm calling her Rose.
Rosie.
Nope, Rose. Let's not get carried away with nicknames. But it's Rose the banana. Yeah, so the roots must have still been alive a little bit and generated a new banana plant coming up.
So wait, drop if I go.
What?
I said if you drop it off the ground.
No, I didn't. I don't touch my rose. My
Full of
rose.
water. Rose.
It's a banana. What do you want it to be filled with? Oh, speaking of,
The rose inside.
I don't know what that means.
Your wife
No,
inside.
Sonia's inside.
Rose.
Rose is outside. Anyway, we also have. Oh, look. Did you see?
You man, the sharp man.
The more bananas. Yeah, and Sonia said I can't even take up these ones over there. You see those ones? Nope, not today. They're huge. This is just. And now you know. To the moon. Effort to maintain cleanliness of children. Just me today, picking away, getting chickens some some greens. Well, you guys will come out in the dirt for greens, huh? You ready? 1, 2, 3. That almost worked. Hello. This one's, she's like, I'm good. I don't want to come out right now. Everybody else will enjoy the lovely greens. Sure, let's get you slow-mo. What's up, sir? Well, did you have a good nap? That's one way how to do it.
Come right at the top. Twins.
You want to sit too?
Right there.
No space still.
No, it'll fit 6. I already put 6 pieces of bread in there. You guys just...
There's space still.
So wait, the mayonnaise go on the cheese?
All right, we did it. Grilled cheese, and I'm using spaghetti sauce because tomato soup is hard to come by around here. Nobody else really wanted some dipping sauce. Nobody. Yes. So, quick go around, something you're thankful for today, and we get to eat. Who would like to start? Go ahead, Junior. Go ahead.
May help somebody can pick the bread out for the curry that this. Oh, it's today. It's today. I'm here for her.
How did you help her? She fell and you picked her up.
Yes.
Nice.
She put the daughter.
Sweet. Junior.
Come could have been laughter.
Wow, I helped her after I laughed. Nice, Dave. Junior. It is going around, right to you.
Anyway, Mahrez today for stop crying, I sing him songs and drop asleep.
Oh man.
I'm not
If
a
anybody
singer.
wants to put themselves to sleep, just have Sonia sing to you. You will fall asleep. I've got it on record. Yes. All right. Junior. Junior.
Alright. Thank you for calling Marlon.
Yes, Junior and I walked to Marlins today. Thank you for being respectful while you were there. On to one of you two.
Now, Malalai. Step by step. Keep the way stronger.
Junior, I'm trying to get Mario to be able to speak. Or Andre.
Guess what, mate? Guess what?
What?
Did I read it on the road?
Mm-hmm.
Then, we to I, then them jump off.
And then sit up on him body.
And what are you thankful for? Andre.
Thank you for feeding the chickens with apple today.
Yeah, we had a good time with that. Awesome. Happy Saturday night. Hope you guys enjoyed your day. We're gonna eat.
Dip it, Mahrez, dip it.
Mahrez, dip it.
Dip it.
Dip
Dip
it.
it.
Mahrez, dip it now. Mahrez, dip it. Dip it.
Andre.
Yo, what?
Andre. Mm.